Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your old white shoes, how to remove old ink, and how to bling your shoes once they're all done and clean. So as you can see, these are really dirty. I actually haven't worn them in about a year. They've just been sitting in the closet. So I was like, okay, I think it's time to take them out and, start wearing them. They've been dirty, that's why I just threw them in the closet. I'm very picky when it comes to my shoes. I like them like super clean. So yeah, that's why I'm cleaning them today. And I'm gonna start off by taking off the shoelaces. So the Vans that I have here are actually a leathery type of shoe. They're not like your regular Vans. And then the inside tongue is actually fabric. So you guys will see how the mixture that I use works for both of those type of shoes. So I am using baking soda with water. I got a toothbrush that I use for crafting only in a little container. So I am adding baking soda and water. I don't care if it's hot water, cold water. I just need water for this. So it doesn't matter. All I'm using is baking soda and water, and I'm mixing it until it becomes a thick paste. You see right here, I said thick. It's fine like this. You can add more baking soda if you want, but this was fine for me. So I got the shoe. You see all these stains, they're about to disappear. So I got the paste with the toothbrush and I am placing it on the shoe. And I am scrubbing, okay? I am scrubbing because I want to make sure those stains are gone. That's the whole point of this, is to make sure those stains are gone. So I am scrubbing it onto the shoe. So one thing I also like to do is get a little bowl of water, put it on the side, and then dip it in there to make sure all that dirty paste, because you're wiping it on the shoe. So it's going to be taking that dirt off. And you don't want to be double dipping. So I do dip the brush into the bowl of water, and then I go ahead and dip it into the paste, and then keep on wiping on the shoe. So I wiped it all the way around from the bottom of the shoe sole all the way to the tongue of the shoe. So I did both shoes. I'd make sure they were all fully coated, brushed, and I actually let them sit there maybe an hour or two until the paste was dry. That is very important. Don't leave them out all day. Do not put them out in the sun. Just leave them somewhere, in the shade so they can dry. And make sure you do keep an eye on them. As soon as they're dry, get on it because they will turn yellow and we don't want that. So now I got my shoelaces right here. And with the leftover paste, I am actually going to mix that in with the shoelaces. Blend all that in. Make sure all your shoelaces are covered with the paste. And kind of scrub it with the toothbrush at the same time while you're mixing. So put that on the side. Let that dry too. So now that my shoes are dry, I am actually going to go in with the toothbrush again. But to wipe off all that dry baking soda. You want to make sure you take all that off, because even though it's dry, like I told you guys, they can turn yellow. So it is very important for you to take off the most of this powder that you can. We do not want our shoes to be yellow. So I am patting it on the bottom so all that powder comes off. You can do this outside if you like. I just did it on top of the sink. Scrub all that powder off. You don't want none of that on the shoe. So as you can see, the shoes already look much better. Another thing I like to do once I'm done doing that, I like to go in with the magic eraser from Mr. Clean to just make sure that all the little marks are removed from the rubber sole of the shoe. So my shoes were as clean as they could be, but I ran into a little problem. It had a little ink stain from a pen. I don't even know how that happened, because how do pens end up next to shoes? Okay, I don't know. So I went online. I saw all these little hacks of how to clean ink off shoes, and I was like, okay, one of these has to work. But guess what? None of them worked. Okay. Like I said, these shoes have been in the closet for about a year. Okay, a year of that ink on the shoe. As you can see, they're still there. I tried hairspray, I tried acetone, I tried soap, I tried alcohol, I mean everything you can think of, okay? And then I realized all those people that were doing all those hacks to clean the ink off had something in common. They did not have to clean old stains. They were all doing the marks right then and there and then going instantly and cleaning them off. That's why everything worked. I even tried Lysol, guys. Lysol, okay? And I have to say, that's what worked the most. I was actually surprised. I mean, yes, I was that desperate to get rid of that stain. It didn't leave, but still. So I was stuck with that damn stain, okay? It was not gonna go away. I realized that, and I was like, damn, okay, what now? So I left it alone. It stressed me out. I went on ahead and cleaned my shoelaces, as you can see. I just scrubbed them against each other with my hands until all that powder was gone, and then I put them to the side to dry. So back to the same. It's still there. So I gave up finally. It was almost gone. Like I said, Lysol worked the most for some reason. And then I was like, okay, the last thing to do is just paint over it, right? So that's what I did. I got my Angelus white paint and I went over it twice. I let one coat dry and then I did another one. I mean, this ink pen stain was bothering me so bad. I just wanted to get rid of it. And so I guess the problem was that the stain had been there too long. So as soon as you get ink on your shoes, clean it. Because if you don't, that stain will be there forever. So moving on and forgetting about that damn stain, it's time to bling the shoe. It's all clean and it's ready to get bling. So I am using E6000. You can use a tip one like this one or just any regular one. And then apply it and have your rhinestones ready. So I am using SS12 AB rhinestones to bling out that line on the shoe. So I did do 3 rows all across the line. All size 12. I did not need any extras, no fill-ins. Just went all straight through the wavy line all the way to the end. You can start from the front to the back or from the back to the front, whatever you choose to. I do it both ways. It doesn't really matter to me, whatever, I feel like doing, I guess, that day. And then make sure all that glue is evenly placed on the shoe. You don't want too much excess glue or not enough glue, that your rhinestones are not going to stick. To make it more even, you can use a little toothpick to blend it all nicely on the shoe. As you can see here, I started from the back on this side of the shoe, but same thing, 3 rows of SS12 all across. I like to go around the little leather. You saw how I pointed with the back of the tip of the pickup tool, just to make sure there's no overlapping rhinestones. I want it all nice and straight. Always remember to go double check your work, make sure there's no overlapping rhinestones. They're not on top of each other, they're not falling off, they're not, wrongly placed, half on. Double check your work always, guys. So, look how beautiful this shoe is looking. Super simple, but yet super beautiful. You do not need to go buy brand new shoes to bling out, Just get some shoes from your closet and bling them out, Make something. Be creative. So, it's just about having fun. So, you can see right here, I am done with this shoe. Super cute. Can you believe this is an old shoe? Like, it's just been sitting in the closet, and look how beautiful they look now. They look almost brand new. All those things are gone, even that damn pen ink. Okay, so these are ready to go out. Super cute and super beautiful. Go ahead and bling your old shoes out, clean them and then bling them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.